let me endeavor very hard in this way. Then Krishna might say, oh, you're trying so hard. So much chanting, so much guru seva, so much preaching and book distribution and all different sevas doing, family raising, and so much difficult to raise children and try to inculcate them in Krishna consciousness and maintain your own bhakti. You're trying so hard. Acha, we'll try a little harder. So we try harder and harder, more and more endeavor, more and more devotion, more and more surrender. Then Krishna says, all right, you've worked up a good sweat. Then the mercy. So these are the two fingers. The two fingers of Damodar Leela. When Yashoda brought the rope, it was 2 fingers too short. No matter thousands of ropes, how many ropes she brought, always 2 fingers, she couldn't tie it, always this much distance. 1 finger is the endeavor, the sadhana, the yoga abhyas, the hard work, the sweat, the toil, the struggle to please Krishna, to please the Vaishnavas and Guru. Work up a good sweat. Her entire body was soaked with perspiration. Her sari was sticking to her body. Her hair was sticking to her head. The flowers had fallen from Yashoda's head. She was She was old lady. She gave birth to Krishna when she was 68, 70 years old. She was not some teenager. Like nowadays, a village in a teenager is 12 years old, they have a kid. Yashoda was 65, 70 years old. And this little guy, he's pretty fast. He's running off and, hey, Vadmash kid, come back here. Chalak, Balak, come back here. And she's, she's old. It's an old car, old, worn out. This guy's a young sprint, he's a young chap, but 1 year old, 2 years old. Totally wet. And Krishna's saying, and she said, what is this guy? I don't care if it takes all day, I'm going to tie up this little rascal. He broke the pot of yogurt, he made a big mess. Now everybody's complaining about him. Now I'm going to teach him a good lesson. Now, I don't care if it takes 100 years. I'm so determined, I'm going to tie him up. So with that determination and that hard work and endeavor, then Krishna said, okay, whatever you're doing is not enough. Because it's only if I give my causeless mercy, because there's nothing you can do to make me give my mercy, except you can try. So that's what bhakti is all about. Simply trying to get the mercy, because there's no perfection in devotion without kripa.